Hello, everyone. I know I said our mini ebook course will be launching in 5 days. And if you've been counting, you're probably like, it's day 10. What's up? First, thank you for your patience. We've been putting extra care into refining the lessons, templates, and bonus content to make sure this isn't just another info dump, but a course that helps you actually start and finish your profitable ebook with clarity and confidence. The good news is still coming and very soon. You'll be the first to know as soon as it drops. If you've been holding on to the dream of becoming an author, of writing an ebook, wondering if you're even qualified, if your words matter, or if anyone would even care, this is your confirmation. God didn't place that message in your heart to keep it hidden. It's meant to be written, shared, and used to help others. That's why we're here. Hi, I'm Nicole Quarterman, and I want to personally welcome you to keep an eye out for our free mini ebook course creation. We wanted to have it out a couple of days ago, actually 5 days ago, but we also want to ensure that it's a complete blessing to you. We created Get Over the Lies That Keep You Stuck in Less Than 10 Business Days because we know exactly what it feels like to battle self doubt, to feel unqualified, and to sit on a God given idea for far too long. We've spent thousands of dollars learning how to create digital products. We've wrestled with that nagging voice, the one we now call the imposter, telling us we weren't good enough, we weren't smart enough, we weren't experienced enough to teach others how to become authors by creating their own ebook. But here's the truth: that voice is a lie, and the only way to shut it down is to take action. This course is your step by step guide to finally start, finish, and publish the ebook you were born to write. You don't need to be perfect. You need faith. You need a plan, and you need the courage to move forward. So, whether your book is based on a skill you've mastered or a story you survived, we want you to know we believe in you. You are not alone. God is with you, and your voice has value. Let's silence the lies together and step boldly into your calling with purpose and excitement for what God has next for you.